Blessed love, this is MV Khan, and I say big up on yourself. We done so we just touch on in England, and I tell you say yeah, tomorrow big festival, so make certain say you come out and support. You see me I say. Now of course you know the album This Is Dancehall will be released September 23rd. You see me I say this is gonna be my last dancehall / reggae album. You see me I say because here we go on now. I don't want people to think say this is a retirement thing or anything like that, and I'm just trying to sell some records. But just check the levels right now and how much albums people downloading from dancehall or reggae artists. It's a struggle. You see me I say we don't have Apple Music and these companies behind us that download or buy like $1 million for music, you know, $1 million for album or albums before it even released, so people can say the numbers look good and go and buy it as well. You see me I say? And some territories cannot even download our albums, like even Jamaica. So it's kind of rough. So you don't know which we're going to be putting out singles same way. You see me I say not on a regular, but you know if we have a good song, we're going to put it on iTunes. You don't know. Of course, the album, God Alone, the gospel album will be released next year. So don't think this is a, stop the music thing. Anyway, speaking about This Is Dancehall. Now you know that the reason why we call the album This Is Dancehall, because we want to show people that some of the songs that you're hearing on radio, mainstream radio, is actually dancehall. And in order for me to bring that forward and bring the argument forward, I had to basically, incorporate some of these elements on the album to let people see that, this is the real dancehall, that people call in tropical pop and tropical house and all of these things. We have to also put, songs on the album that represent dancehall. So when we do a song like Own Leader and an original dancehall bassline driven rhythm, where some people are called folk and some people are said old, we have to show people say this is dancehall. We couldn't just have pure the new things, them only the new things them where people think say is dancehall on the album. We have to mix it up with this vibe. So when we draw a rhythm like this way, some people might say it sound old and all of these things, but how much artists that modern artists can write these type of rhythms? So a song like Own Leader, we couldn't go upon a rhythm like this and drop some little TM lyrics. We have to just go upon it and just spit some lyrics where burn up boy skin. Cause that is dancehall. Some people have a problem because you might do a song and it might, be referring to a certain individual or some individuals. People have problem with the video because people are say Vegas bad mind for do that type of video there and this and that and Ray. Let me tell you something, people. Oh no, nothing about dancehall. Anybody will have a problem with another artist doing a song and highlighting certain things that really happened in real life. Don't know nothing about dancehall. When a song like Own Leader, basically, this it a tell us me I'm Own Leader. We don't follow people. This is dancehall. Oh no like me no like a leader. Yes, the one and me I'm Own Leader. A long time and this a dancehall. You chat lyrics what people have to just listen to and say, yo, that reality. Some of them can't wait for daylight, for live by your name like parasite. Some of them need to go get a life, cut them off now like a sharp knife. See them now, them get the Vegas cross. No talent and bag of hype now go last. Never hear you make a video a defend world boss. That a dancehall. Dash lyrics and make it connect. Some people are talking about bad mind. Anybody don't know about dancehall, we say them things there. Real dancehall music make up of lyrics and have the elements them. We make people want to go to stage show. We make people know say this is our culture. It's not a little plaything. Some people have a problem and talk about bad mind this and bad mind that. So when you tell us like, when Bunty and Beanie used to go at it and when Ninja Man and Shabba used to go at it, I never have no problem with that. So I never have no problem when Bunty Killer do that song, yeah?
No mercy. I said I ride in west in my bulletproof vest, and the boy didn't I don't care. It could be Antoinette or Miguel Paulette. No mercy. And some guy get upset, missing Joe. Them leave the world in a suspense. Said them riding us when them attack with their feet.
No, that a dancehall. And when Beanie Man say, what him say? And draw for this.
Well, it's only a
Dancehall,
speak.
turn up.
No, no. Yeah, man. Pose in front of me.
What do you know about dancehall? When I talk about the call man named Bad Mind.
So DJ must get man program wrong. Gonna yard and build counteraction. Remember we never ride west with no man. It was you and your body there again. This is my song, we sing along. I am the defender of...
I want to some people who don't know nothing about dancehall. And them thing the people get for love. And grow up and love about dancehall. It's a competitive industry. Jamaica is a small place and people fight for the space. So when you hear a man do a song and dash some lyrics or whatever and show some lyrics. Some man have to do a song and tell you about your mother and tell you about this and tell you about them and go blow out your brain and all of these things. And you want to go back to the drawing board. Me not have to do them type of lyrics there. To make lyrics burn up boy's skin. Remember when Bunty them a go at it, you know?
No big deal, no big deal. Like him, go like him,
this is dancehall.
Go to steal. Tackle and chop down them shield. Chop. Why run come up in a me magnum boy? Stand up in front me shotgun boy. Disrespect me eyeglass son.
Wanna know about dancehall? This is dancehall.
Well, this is not a Christmas cereal.
Wanna know about this?
Need a Xmas
When I talk about the
material.
man bad mind and man kiss a man that I want to know. Oh no, nothing about dancehall. This is dancehall.
So this year enough. Find some other here. Pull up your socks and...
Wanna know about dancehall? When Summer Ranking drop this, and say put them down to the key and turn them in a donkey. And a ninja man at the dance.
It's a shabba thing. Suckling sing. Yard up for him, kick up.
Wanna know about dancehall?
Rock wine. Sing. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Sing. Dance silent swing. Sing. DJ ears stuck up in the beer bomb rhythm. Sing. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Sing. Gold bell a ring. Sing. I fan fart a fight for dumpling. Booyaka booyaka.
Hey, when Ninja Man hear that, the man get mad. The man say,
yeah, man,
what
I
say?
want to go and put down to key and turn them in a donkey. What? The belly is born on the know.
So now say, Ninja Man is bad man to do this. Because Ting-a-ling was a big singer, Shabba Rank was a big international artist.
Yeah, me
What
man.
to know?
Me ball ting-a-ling-a-ling, a school picnic in thing.
So now say, Ninja Man is bad man when him do that. Oh no, no, nothing about dancehall, somehow know we are chat. Dancehall, them elements that make up dancehall. So now just know, so when you see man a dash lyrics and a chop lyrics. If a man can't stand up to the fire, just run left it. So dancehall music stay, dancehall music competitive. And if a man a go come and boss say, bullet in a chest here now. And the boy Drake can talk about Bun Vegas. So when not talk about Drake, I say Bun Vegas in a dub plate, you know. You wanna allow me and go on and I go, you know. And me alone, me notice some people have strength for, you know. But when you think say me a weak, when you think is a dub with this, post this, you know.